Hi, I'm Chris from Optimal Web Design. I have over 19 years of experience in the search engine optimization industry. Today I'm going to talk to you about meta titles, what they are, and why they are so important. Whenever we go to Google and do a search, in this case for plumber Dallas, and we scroll down to the organic search results where websites are returned, you will see in each result a larger text that is in this blue font. This is your meta title, or in this case these companies' meta titles. It's been pulled from a bit of code within each of these companies' websites. Most website systems, whether it be WordPress, Wix, Weebly, or many of the others, will have a dedicated section where you can manually set the meta title for each of your pages. It is absolutely crucial that the keyword or words are within the title of each of the pages that you are trying to specifically target. What I mean by this, if you're a plumber in Dallas, your main page that is you are trying to optimize and rank for the words plumber Dallas, the words plumber and Dallas need to be in this title. Please keep in mind, Google will only return a certain length, around 55 to 60 odd characters. Anything after that will drop off, and the title, or meta title should I say, needs to read as a sentence and not just be keyword one after each other. The same would go if you were to look for a different service in a different area. We scroll down to the organic search results where the websites are returned. The page titles are displayed in larger font and blue. Once again, you will see the words such as pizza, Sydney, pizza and Sydney. The keywords that we are looking for will almost be returned in close to 100% of the search results, organic search results on the first page of Google. I'm just going to show you a page on my Optimal Web Design site. This site uses a system called WordPress, and I have an add-on called Yoast SEO. With this particular add-on, it allows me to manually set whatever title I would like to be on this page, and it will also give you a general guideline of the length of keywords. If you write too many, it'll show you in red, sort of stick around those 55 to 60 odd characters, and you'll see how it would actually be displayed in the Google search results. If you're wanting to learn more on how to best search optimize your website, I've created a search engine optimization academy with easy to follow video tutorials and further information on how to best optimize and implement these optimization techniques onto your website to generate the best possible search results for your business today.